Are you also generating new leads for your own business via Google Ads? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to send automatically follow-up emails to Google Ads lead. So I'm running Google Ads to generate new leads for my business, and here my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically and instantly a follow-up personalized email should be sent to my lead via Gmail. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my Google Ads with my Gmail account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my Google Ads account, and I have already drafted a test campaign. And as you all know that I am going to send an automated follow-up email to my leads received through my Google Ads. So for that I'm going to connect my Google Ads with my Gmail account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for www.pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps went away. You can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will direct you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here, before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So if you're going to give a name to our workflow that says send automatic follow-up email to Google Ads leads, and now you have to giving a name to my workflow. It is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here, as you all know that I am receiving new leads through Google Ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Google Ads and my app event as new lead form entry. Then we're going to click on this connect, and here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Ads account. And as you all know that I have drafted a test campaign, and under which I'm going to create a test lead form to set up this entire automation further. So now here I'm using a test lead form, but you can also set up the webhook inside your live lead form. Alright, let's move forward, and here we are going to create a lead form by giving a business name. So I'm going to give my business name as Digital Dynamics. and we are going to move forward. Here this description is not required field, so we are going to leave it blank. Here for the questions, I'm going to select some relevant questions such as name. For the name, I'm going to select first name and last name separately. Then we are going to select email address, phone number, and also you can select some other fields as well. For now it is not important, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. Also you can select a work information field if you're required. Alright, let's move forward. And here on the right side you can see the preview of the form that we have created by selecting some required field for the automation. Alright, and here on the last you can see the option of lead delivery over here. So under this you can see the option of webhook integration, and as you all know that we are going to use webhook URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So here we are going to add the webhook URL received in this field. So this is my webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the key I'm going to give a random name such as test. So now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the send test data button given over here, so that by clicking on this button I'm going to receive a test response for these fields that I've selected by creating this form. And now further I'm going to use these test details to set up this automation further. So for that we are going to click on the send test data, and you can see it says test data sent. That means we have successfully sent some dummy details for these fields on this webhook URL, that means on our Pabbly's workflow. So let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the dummy phone number. Here you can see the dummy email address, last name value as last name, and first name value as first name only. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically and instantly I want to send a personalized follow-up email to my lead. So for that we are going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select the email application as Gmail, but you can select it as per your requirement. Then we're going to select the app event as send email, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here for the sender name, I'm going to add my company name, that is Digital Dynamics. And here you can see the sender email address has been updated automatically, so we are not going to change it. And here for the recipient email address, I need to enter the address to whom I want to send this mail. So now here, instead of entering the email address manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the email address. Moving forward, and here the CC, BCC reply to are not required fields, I'm going to leave them blank. And here for the email subject, I'm going to enter the subject as thank you for showing your trust. And now here after entering the email subject, it is asking me to add the email content. So it says enter the email content. You can create HTML content from here. So here you can see a hyperlink attached. It says here's a complete tutorial on how to create a HTML email here. So basically you can add a HTML content email over here to make your emails more attractive and in an organized format. So here you can watch this complete tutorial to how to create a HTML content for your email. For now I'm going to add mine. So this is the HTML content, and I have mapped my lead's first name for the first name value. Alright, so this is the email content, and here for the email content type, I'm going to select HTML as I've entered the content in HTML format, and here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy email address with some other test email in order to receive the email on my Gmail account. So I'm going to add a random email, and then we're going to move forward, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a personalized follow-up email to our lead via Gmail. So now let me take you to my lead's Gmail account. And here you can see the mail that my lead has received with the subject as "Thank you for showing your interest." Here you can see the sender name as Digital Dynamics, and this is the entire mail body with a personalized message that says "Hello first name," and this is the entire message body. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected a trigger as Google Ads and an action as Gmail, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically and instantly an automated follow-up email will be sent to our lead via Gmail. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send automatic follow-up email to Google Ads leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know that what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.